Today we are talking about secret facts of Putin, the president of Russia. Fact number 1, the professional one. Before he was a leader, Putin was a KGB spy. He spent 16 years learning how to manipulate people, handle secrets, and use spy tricks that he still uses today to stay in power. Fact number 2, the secret offices. He uses 3 identical offices to keep people from knowing where he is. Putin has 3 offices in different cities that look exactly the same. When he is on TV, no one knows if he is in Moscow or hiding in a secret bunker. Fact number 3, the stronger one. He never forgets a grudge. People who knew him as a child say he never forgave anyone who was mean to him. As a leader, many of his political rivals have ended up in prison or worse after disagreeing with him. Number 4, the wealthy one. He is one of the richest men ever, while his official salary is about $140,000 a year. Experts believe his hidden wealth is over $200 billion zillion. This would make him richer than almost anyone on Earth. But the money is hidden in secret bank accounts and through his friends. Fact number 5, the ban on freedom. He crushed the free media in Rus. It is now illegal to say certain things about the government or the war. Many journalists have had to flee the country or go to jail just for telling the truth. Fact number 6, the secret family. He has a secret family. Putin is extremely private. He almost never talks about his children, and their names and lives are kept completely secret from the public to protect them and his secrets. Fact number 7, why he did not use internet. He doesn't use the internet, reports say. Putin avoids using a smartphone or the internet because he is afraid of being hacked or tracked by foreign spies. He gets all his news from paper folders brought to him by his team. Fact number 8, his grandfather. He grew up around dictators. Putin's grandfather was a personal cook for Stalin and Lenin, 2 of the most famous and harsh leaders of the Soviet Union. Putin grew up hearing stories from the very top of the government. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.